Yeah.
Steve Stories presents
Rain has stopped until at least 5 to 6. So I'm gonna go out and get
Rainy
some
Day
breakfast.
in Lisbon.
Or brunch. Somewhere early.
A little Thai spot caught my eye.
How about no? Jasmine tea, yeah. Yeah! Got a little steep. Tom yum soup. Hot.
I went for spice.
What's it? Look at that. That green curry. Needed. So, second bowl. So I get some satay.
Tram lifestyle.
Alright.
Looking at a little bit of color, the art. Lisbon is known for its vibrant street art scene, with colorful murals and graffiti scattered throughout the city. The urban landscape is transformed by works that range from political statements to abstract art and portraits, reflecting the city's rich cultural history and modern artistic expression. Some key areas to explore for street art in Lisbon include 1. Alfama. One of Lisbon's oldest neighborhoods, Alfama has a mix of traditional architecture and contemporary art, with hidden street art gems on walls and alleys. 2. Bairro Alto. Known for its nightlife, Bairro Alto is also home to numerous murals, especially in areas like Rua da Atalaya and near the Cais do Sodré. 3. LX Factory, a creative hub located in an old industrial complex. LX Factory is filled with large murals, including pieces by international and local street artists. 4. Graça. This neighborhood offers a mix of murals that tell a story of Lisbon's evolution from more abstract to socially conscious works. 5. Amoreiras and Avenida Fontes Pereira de Melo. These areas, particularly around the Amoreiras Tower, have large-scale murals and are known for hosting impressive works by famous street artists. The city also hosts street art festivals like the Lisbon Street Art Urban Creativity Festival, which helps foster the community and celebrate the art form. Exploring Lisbon by foot or bike offers a unique way to uncover these dynamic works. More noodles.
Cheers. Good. Little lemon with some extra vegetables, little egg, sesame beef balls, spice. Yeah. Cheers.
Warm. They helped a lot.
See that piece of good round pork, Joshua?
Just nibble off the edge. Let go. Yum, 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 yum.
Sesame seed balls.
That red bean paste. Good.
It's a little mochi. Was that yours, Mango?